Hi guys, it's me again, Kim, and welcome back to my channel. And yes, welcome back since it's been a long week na hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. I think it's a month already. But yeah, I'm happy now because I got the time to do this again. So, today's video is not a makeup vlog, but a try-on vlog. It will be with this kit. It is a lash lift kit, which I got from Shopee, around 400 plus with the shipping fee. And this kit is from Iconsign, and yeah, I'm excited to try this. So before everything, this kit has something at the back, which is the ingredients, the safety precaution, and direction for use. So this is how it looks like without the plastic, the back side, and the cleaning tools, the lip pad, and the solution. So let's start. Ayan na. Dapat kasi plastic wrap. Eh, wala akong plastic wrap. So, kahit anong plastic na lang. Okay, let's leave this for 8 to 10 minutes. See you later!
A few minutes later.
So guys, we're back. Tatanggalin na natin. Ayan. So the next one is the fixing solution. Ito. So, it's done. Kailangan na naman natin ng plastic. May plastic na tayo and let's put the plastic again. Kailangan maganda yung pagkalagay. So, ibababad na naman natin siya ng 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, I'll be back.
A few minutes later.
So guys, may mali akong ginawa.
Oh no!
Hindi ko brush yung firm solution before ko nilagay yung fixation na solution. So guys, it's around 9 minutes na. So tatanggalin na natin. Tama pa ba to? And using the Y brush. And so, after that, we will going to remove this pad. Nakuha na natin and ayan. Kini-clean up ko lang guys. Ayan. So, after that, yung finishing is the nutrition na. Nourish our eyelashes. Ito na yung finish, guys. Ayan. Tapos na lahat. So, I'm happy. Eto guys, basa pa siya, pero we'll see kung tuyo na yung lashes ko. So, I'm happy. So, we'll see. So, I'll do the other side.
A few minutes later.
Guys, tingnan nyo, I'm done. And, oh my god, the result is very nice. I mean, not very nice, pero for me, it's really nice. Like, kahit this one is not that perfect as this one, pero ang effect niya, guys, is maganda pa rin eh. Oh my god, I like it. Kita niyo ba? Oh my god! For me, guys, ang product na to is really recommended and is i-make sure nyo lang na ito yung brand na bibilhin nyo if ever you will buy this on Shopee. And, yeah, wala akong ibang masabi pero it's really nice. The effect is legit. Like, tingnan nyo naman. Makikita nyo naman siguro kung gaano ako ka-happy, no? So, isa lang yung masasabi ko, guys. Yan, binalik ko lang and look at that. Parang wala siyang, hindi pa siya gamit. But, yeah. Ang glue lang guys dito is not that sticky and kaya naging ano siya, yung pads is hindi siya naging stable dun sa sa skin kasi hindi siya sticky eh. Yung masasuggest ko lang if gagamit kayo, gamitin niyo na lang sa pangdikit ng pads para sa skin is ano na lang, yung lashes, yung glue ng false lashes, yun na lang yung gamitin nyo. Ako kasi yung glue ng false lashes ko is black, so hindi ko na ginamit kasi black. So, eto, and hindi din ako nag-expect na hindi pala siya, super sticky. So, yung pads, naging siya, hindi siya stable dun sa, eyelid ko, kaya medyo nahirapan ako doon. So, para hindi kayo mahirapan guys, use na lang kayo ng false lashes glue para sure na magiging stable yung pads and iwas na din na difficulties. Like, hindi siya, para mas stable na yung pads. So, that's it. Pero, all in all, dito sa product is really nice and madali lang siyang gamitin. Hindi na ako nahirapan. And, may naman siya sa back. May direction for use. Sundin nyo lang and, yan lang talaga guys, and the effect is nice. And sa paglagay nyo na din ng first ng firm, i-up nyo talaga kung ano yung gustong direction yun ng lashes nyo, kung paganyan or whatever you like it. Like, i-brush nyo lang pataas or anong side yung gusto nyo. Kung ditong side, then you can do whatever you want. But, brush it like legit talagang pag-brush mo. And after that, pag naglagay ka ng fixation, i-brush mo muna yung firm para makuha lang yung firm, and then before mo lagay yung fixation. Yun lang. And i-clean mo na lang din and lagyan mo talaga ng nutrition kasi yun din yung magno-nourish dun sa lashes mo. And after that, you can wash it and wala. Kung ano yung effect ng before wash, pag after wash, ganun pa rin, hindi pa rin siya natatanggal. And it's really legit, guys. For me, it's highly recommendable. And i-rate ko to, it will be 5/5 or 10/10. Yeah, that's it. And yun, kung gusto nyong bumili sa Shopee, I will put the link below on the description box. And para hindi naman kayo mahirapan kung gusto nyong bumili nito. And guys, disclaimer lang, I'm not selling this product or this is not a sponsored product, pero yeah, dahil recommendable siya, then I will recommend it to you. And yung isang kit guys, hindi mo magagamit sa isang gamitan. You can do it like 10 times, 15 times, like, yeah, it's true. Kasi, kahit nagamit ko na siya, parang hindi ko pa siya nagamit. Ganun yung, ganun lang kakaunti yung, kailangan nyo for lifting your lashes. So, that's it, guys. If you like this video, please click like, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and share. Thank you, and see you in my next video.